Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to create a post on Facebook. First of all, you click on the Facebook app. By default, you'll be led to the home page. At the top right, you'll see three icons: a plus icon, a search icon, and a messaging icon. Here you click on the first icon. You'll be provided with the options of post, story, reel, and live. Here you click on post, and then you can share whatever you would like to share. Let's say hey. You can change the background using these, but for you to post a photo, you can just click on this icon below, then click photo/video. You can choose as many as you want, but up to 10 photos. So after clicking on the amount of photos or videos you want to upload, you can choose a layout for your pictures. Let's say I'll go with this. Then you can click on done. You can edit it or make 3D. Then you click on post. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.